And now, a guy whose show is ranked just above a proctology exam. Please give a warm welcome to...
Hello, Big Elvis, with another, it's a mail call. Got this in Robert Johnson. So this is another release of the Majorette. Just trying to check them out. Of course, you know I'm the Mustang guy, so would like to do that Toyota Hilux, that Supra. And I might have the Porsche. I've got to check and see. But another cool little set we can check out at some point. This I thought was really neat, and I'm not exactly sure how it all goes together. But it's an M2 actual diorama. So we got Shelby and the GT500. I think we got the K5 Blazer next. And it had this, I don't know exactly how they go together, but they make a full scene. Well, let's see what we can find out here. This is the one that I really wanted because if you know, you know. If you've seen the movie, you really know. But that is too cool. And then the fourth one of the set is Ford Bronco. He comes here to make up the full scene. But it ends up being a full dioramic scene. Got a serviceman. If you're just building dioramas, it's great. If you want to hang them all together, they're great. That one is Vanishing Point. I thought that was really cool. We'll have to figure out what we're going to do with these. A couple of them I'd really like to open, but I don't know that we should. You know what I mean? Let me know what you think about that. Broke down and got one of the old Johnny Lightning collector car tins. These do come with a certificate of authenticity for the club. And this is a replica of the 1957 Studebaker Golden Hawk. Comes with a club card that you could have called, I guess, and checked on placing orders or customer service. But this is what I like. 10-year anniversary. The Golden Hawk. I hate to even try to take it out of its packaging. But I did. There she is. Beautiful car. And a higher premium car, I would say, from Johnny. As you can see there, full detailing on the bottom. Great across the back. See the Golden Hawk emblem and everything. So, they were taking extreme, they were doing very serious work, taking it to the extreme, so to speak. Johnny Lightning back in the day. And that'll probably just go in my private collection. Got a T-Bird or two. I had to do a 56 T-Bird Roadster and the 56 hardtop. As you know, I've been doing the T-Birds because of my own T-Bird. I got this one. This is a 2025 release of the Ford, what is that, Velocity Blue. So I've got one, but it's a different wheels. It was 2025 release. How about that fabulous Hudson Hornet? Found one, good shape, very nice, 51, and it is pretty much unmolested. This was a Racing Champions way back in the day, concept and muscle, and 2001. Copyright date on it. And let's see what else we have in here. A couple more of the Matchbox opening parts. Got the Porsche 911, 911, and the 57 Ford Country Sedan. We're going to check them out, see how detailed they are underneath the hood. So far, Matchbox has been doing a good job with them. Little Tommy, and that's a 72 Ford Torino Sport. And it was when Tommy, however you want to pronounce it, production of them. And that was in Oak Brook, Illinois. 2012. Must have had them for a little while. Alrighty, let's see what else we got in the box. Something cool from Johnny Lightning. Another 10, but this is, I don't know, they call it OBS, but it's the 93 Ford F-150. I had a 90, a 93, and a 96, that body style. Loved them. Great trucks. Really enjoyed having those trucks. We also have the Bentley R Continental. Models of yesteryear. Figured why not throw an oldie but a goodie in there. And our last, every once in a while I find something off the wall. How about this? Ford Taunus 17 with the Caravan. We'll have to get out and look a little closer. Looks like it's been off the thing once or twice, but there she is, the 187 scale models. You know, we do them once in a while. Well, that's the mail call. Tell me what you think. See anything in there interesting you want me to definitely open up? Leave a comment below. Big Elvis, want to say thanks to Robert Johnson for helping us out with getting some of the very cool vehicles. You can find him on Facebook, 405 Diecast and such. All right, hope you guys have a good week. We'll catch you on the next one. Take care of each other out there.